Welcome to the Vodia PBX Prepaid Setup Guide for Microsoft Azure. Before starting, make sure you're the Azure subscription owner or have the right permissions. Also, check that all required resource providers are registered. You'll find the full list in our documentation, linked in the video description. Let's get started. Search for Vodia in the Azure Marketplace. Once you find the offer, select the plan that suits your needs and click Create. You'll be redirected to set up your project details. Under the Basics tab, create a new resource group. We recommend this to keep your deployment organized, and enter a name for your managed application. Click Next to configure your virtual machine basic settings. Enter a virtual machine name, make sure the VM size is correct or adjust as needed. And set your operating system disk size. Next, in the Virtual Machine and PBX Settings section, enter the allowed SSH IP. This determines which IP addresses can securely SSH into your VM. Then, create an admin username and password that you'll use to access both the VM and your PBX system. Click Next. Under the Plan Details tab, provide an email address to receive deployment notifications. If you have a Vodia partner code, enter it here. If not, you can use the default code, 100,100. Click Next to review all your settings. When everything looks good, click Create. This may take a few minutes while Azure completes your deployment. Once the deployment is finished, click Go to Resource. Find the managed application name you just created and click on it. In the top right corner, you'll see a link to the managed application group. Click it to go to the resource group page. From there, select your virtual machine. Under the Essentials section, copy the public IP address and paste it into your browser. You'll now be redirected to the Vodia PBX login page. Use the credentials you set earlier under the Virtual Machine and PBX Settings section. And that's it. Your Vodia PBX is now deployed and ready to go on Microsoft Azure. Thanks for watching.